Assalamualaikum. We meet again now. This time I'm going to show you how to do much more same simple calculation, but on a much more complicated table that we have created in the class. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, sorry, let's wait. Yes, close this. Okay, let us proceed with our calculation. In the previous video I show you how to do this. Okay, we did just now. I just delete it back all. Okay, let's go to this. Okay, how to do this? Now we are going to count. We are going to count the total working hour. So which function or formula that we should use? Okay, since we are going to count the total working hour, as you can see here on the header here, this is working hours from week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and we are counting employee salary for the month of January. Okay, so in a month we have 4 weeks, and we know in week 1 Shahana worked for 40 hours. This one is week 2 38, week 3 40, and week 4 38 hours. So we want to know the total here. Like I have shown you before, there are 3 ways for you to create to add the numbers in the cell. So what you will do, I'll go for the easiest one. I'll show you the other way also. There are 3 ways I show you earlier in example. Okay, so for now we go for the easiest one, and the fastest way is by highlighting it and then auto sum. Okay, this is one way. Okay, let's show you another way. You can just click and drag. Oops. Okay, another way is by using the sum function, equal to sum. Don't forget, open the bracket, highlight the range cell, close. It means that sum from E5 until H5. We are going to add up from E5 to H5, the value inside here. We are going to add up the value inside E5, F5, G5, and H5. Okay, and then tap or enter. The number will come up. Click and drag. And another way is by typing the formula, equal to, I'm going to add up this plus this plus G5 and plus H5. Press enter or tap, so the number will appear at this cell at I5. Okay, so this is 3 ways for you to sum out, for you to count the total working hour. Okay, now let us go to total payment. So in order for you to know the total payment, this one you have to know your math bit. Okay, you have to know your math. This is basic math. So hourly payment, we know that Shahana is paid 25 ringgit. Okay, so in order to know how much she is paid for that month, so 25 ringgit has to be timed with 56. So D5 you have to time D5 to K5. Okay, equal to 25, or not 25, the value inside D5 times, we all know, star, and then choose K5 because we are going to time this with this to know the total payment. And the number come out, your answer come out, just click and drag. Okay, just to remind you, you asked me how did my RM appear here, okay, the currency appear here, okay. Actually you can use your currency from here, from number, accounting here, choose English, whatever currency that you want, it's up to you. For me, I want this, I want RM, or yeah, currency, or just general means nothing. Now I want it to be, I want RM to appear here. Okay, now let's go to average working hour. Remember, average, mean and max we use, we have to use function, meaning that you have to type the function. Okay, so now you want to count the average working hour from week 1 to week 4. Okay, the average working hour equal to, type the function average, open the bracket, choose the range, close, tab or enter, number appear, click and drag, your answer appear. Okay, and again, average working hour here, I want to round it up to 2 decimal places. Okay, again, right click, format cell, number, 2 decimal places, click OK. And I want to align all of these to center to make it look better. So now let's go to max, equal to max, type the function, open the bracket, choose the range, close the bracket, enter. Okay, click and drag. Let's go to min. As for min, minimum working hours, we want to look for minimum working hours, min, bracket, select the range, close the bracket and press enter. You have to memorize this, yeah, you have to memorize this a bit, but make sure you understand why we are doing this. Okay, why we use min, because here in the question, or maybe in the question paper later will ask, or anywhere that you do, you will know that min goes to the minimum. You want to know what's the minimum hours that Shahana has worked, so it has to be 38. Okay, maximum working hours that Shahana has worked, Shahana here, okay, Shahana, in case you will ask me, you'll be asking why Shahana, because we are counting for Shahana and for the rest too. Okay, but right now I'm referring to this. Okay, so you have to know why do we use min and max. Okay, so now that all of your answer are here, let's go to this. Okay, now I want to know what is the highest payment. Okay, highest payment goes to, let's go to total payment. Just now we count the min, max, average, all are all horizontally. I just want to show you that we can also do it vertically, whatever you want, as long as you know where to select. Okay, where to select, where to highlight, and which column to go, you have to know. Since I'm asking for highest payment, so let's go to total payment. I want to see what is the highest payment here. Okay, just now the student asked, how do you know whether it's what or what? Okay, so you know highest, this is the keyword here, highest mean max. You just have to know whether you want to go to payment or average working hour. This one depends on the question. Okay, by the way, this is just an example. I just want to tell you, highest, the keyword is for max. The keyword for for max is highest, lowest minimum. The same here also, highest and lowest. Okay, it's just like simple maths. You see, like 5 times 5 is 25. So we are looking at the times there. Okay, 5 times 5 is 25. So right now I'm changing the number here. Imagine that these are the number. This is the number. Okay, number. So I'm just changing this case. That's all. It can be 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. Okay, but the case that I want, the thing that I want to count right now is I want to know the times. So same here, highest, okay, meaning that we are referring to max. We want to know the max number. Lowest, min. Okay, so let's go to highest payment. I want to know, equal to max, open the bracket. Let us go to the payment. Let us see who's the richest. Okay, in the list here. Okay, close the bracket, press enter. Okay, and you can see this is the highest payment. Okay, right now we'll go for this only. We can have much more advanced formula function, but as for now we go to the simple one. Okay, let's go to the lowest payment. The same, equal to min and payment. Whoops, okay, something wrong with my mouse. Okay, something wrong, just wait up. Equal to min, open bracket, highlight, close the bracket. I want you to see here, close the bracket, press tab or enter. So this is the minimum payment. Okay, now highest average working hour. Here, average working hour, meaning that I want to know from this list, from these rows, okay, what is the highest average working hour? It's average working hour, right? Okay, equal to max, highest, min, max, open the bracket, select, close the bracket, press tab or enter. You see, it's there. The answer is there. Highest average working hour is 40. Let's go for the lowest average working hour, which is min. Okay, Oish. So it's late night already, you know. So open the bracket, select, and then let's go to close the bracket, press tab or enter. So you can see here, lowest average working hour is 9.25 hours and highest is 40. Okay, so this is for a much more advanced example that I have, but still we are touching on the same thing: addition or sum, min, max and average. Yeah. And okay, before I forgot, just sometimes if you want to check your formula, show formula, you can see your formula will appear here. Yeah, the formula will appear here. In my case, I don't want this. This is just for your information, that's all. Yeah. Okay, so I'll be seeing you next time if I have new video to post for our next lesson. Have a great day. Have a great day, everyone, and good luck. I wish all of you will be having great weekend, and see you the next time. Bye bye.